So you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, but you're not exactly sure what niche you should, of course, go into. So you're wondering, okay, where exactly is the best place to start? What type of product should I be promoting? What should I be recommending? And of course, trying to market online. Well, in this video, I want to go over the best niches for affiliate marketing, the best niches to, of course, get started with. And before I really dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to grow an online business. So if you enjoy videos like that, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And then this way you can be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. And also, if you want to, if at any point in this video you want to, of course, dive deeper into affiliate marketing, you want to learn more about how to grow an online business through the entire concept of affiliate marketing, at any point in this video, you could check the first link in the description, and that will give you access to my free training that will go much more into depth about affiliate marketing. So you don't have to wait till the end of this video to, of course, check that out. You could check that out anytime that you want. But with all that out of the way, let's get right into the topic. All right, so here I have a list of different niches that you could, of course, get into. But before I really dive into these niches that I'm going to be recommending, the number one thing that I want to mention right off the bat is do not choose your hobby as your niche. This is a huge trap that a lot of newbies fell into, including myself. When I first got it started online, believe it or not, I actually got started in the gaming niche. And if you don't believe me, I actually have my old website too, of course, as proof of this. So when I first got started online, I decided to build up this gaming website because I spent a lot of my free time playing video games. I really enjoyed playing video games, and I decided that if I'm going to get into affiliate marketing, if I want to make money with affiliate marketing, then I should, of course, go into the niche where I'm super passionate about. I like it a lot. It's my hobby. It's my favorite thing to do. And why not start a business through this entire concept of gaming, where I could, play video games, talk about them on here, and give my reviews, and then promote these products on, on this website right here. So that's exactly what I did. For my very first year online, I focused primarily on this website right here, where I was just reviewing games. I even did like these discussion type of articles where I would talk about, some like gaming news and all that type of stuff. So this was like a blog that I was building up, and I was attempting to monetize it with affiliate marketing, where I was, in my articles, I would recommend affiliate products. And unfortunately, I cannot exactly show any of these articles on here because this site is actually no longer active. As you can see up here, this is through the Wayback Machine website. So you just type in, the name of a website, you go back in time, and it shows you, what it once looked like. So this is a now defunct website called GameSave.com. Game-save.com was my old website, and this was pretty much what I focused on my very first year online. So if I click on any of these articles, it won't exactly bring up, I can't exactly show, what it, of course, looked like. But basically, I would review these games, and in my reviews, I would have links to where any of my readers could check out any of the games that I'm, of course, recommending. And if they bought the game off of, Amazon or eBay or wherever it was that I was, of course, sending them to, I would get paid a commission. Now, the great thing was that, I really enjoyed, talking about it. It was a lot of fun to, while it lasted. But at the end of the day, the earning potential with this niche was very little, because with the Amazon affiliate marketplace, which was, primarily what I was using here, the commission rates for gaming, for games were very low. So think of it like this. I was promoting, video games on that, on that website, and they're primarily in like the $30 price range, or, like less than that. So like 30 bucks or less, those are the products that I was recommending. Now, here it says, physical video games and video game consoles. For each sale that you get on Amazon when someone buys a video game, you get a 1% commission rate. Now think about that for a minute. If you're getting 1% of 30 bucks, how much is that? That's like less than $1 commission right there. So in order for me to really make a full-time income with this website right here, I would need to be doing a lot of volume in sales on Amazon.com. And even if it's like, a massive place, that people, they, buy products off of, regularly, they buy lots of things on there, it's still very difficult to make a full-time income with the Amazon affiliate marketplace. You have to be making a lot of sales with this platform, in order to really make, like a decent income on this platform. So for that reason, I realized that, okay, if I'm going into the gaming niche, I'm probably going to be spending, wasting lots of time exhausting myself, and eventually I ended up just shutting the site down altogether because I just did not see it really taking off, and I realized that it just wasn't really the best way to go. So my personal advice that I want to give right off the bat is you do not want to choose your hobby as your niche. If ideally you want to think about it like this: you want to pick a niche that is rather something that you are rather knowledgeable about, or something that you'd be willing to become knowledgeable about, something that you're rather interested in, and also something where there is a high earning potential. So that is really my criteria for if I'm deciding to get into a specific niche. I want to be knowledgeable about it, and I also want to see that there's a good earning potential with it. So that's just the first thing that I want to mention right off the bat. But now let's get into the top 3 niches right here to make the most money. So when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, there are 3 niches that these are what are known as the evergreen niches. So it's health and wellness. Hold on a minute, it's like not letting me highlight the whole thing. Health and wellness. There is the make money online / biz op niche, and then there is the dating / relationships niche. Now I think you and I can agree on this. As long as the internet exists, there is always going to be people looking up information on how to get into better shape, how to make more money online, how to grow an online business, how to find the love of my life, how to get the girl of my dreams, how to get the boy of my dreams, stuff like that. As you are watching this video right now, there are thousands, if not tens of thousands of other people looking up those exact search phrases into Google, into YouTube, and they're looking for information on how to get that desired result in their life. So for this reason, there's always going to be a huge earning potential with these 3 niches right here, and I highly recommend, I just cannot recommend it enough, if you are somewhat knowledgeable about any of these 3 niches and you are thinking about getting into one of these, I would highly recommend going for one of these 3 niches right here, because this is ideally where most of the money is being made. Now, you may be thinking, well, if there is lots of money being made in these niches, doesn't that mean that there's, more competition for me? Well, in a way, yes, because, there is, tons of people, I'd say, especially with the make money online niche, if you go on YouTube, there's, probably thousands of channels popping up on a daily basis about, how to make money online, how to grow an online business, how to do affiliate marketing. I mean, there's a million videos that are showing how to do affiliate marketing. I mean, I'm sure you've probably seen tons of them already. But the thing is like, you have to think of it like this. Think about the amount of people that are coming online every single day looking for information. I mean, content creators, especially on YouTube and, building, and even like bloggers, they are 1% of people that actually go on YouTube. I mean, content creators are, 1% of people that actually go on YouTube. And, most people who go on YouTube, they only consume content. They only watch videos. They only read articles. They never actually take the time to create content themselves. So that's why, with the amount of people that are, continuously coming online every single day, there is always a huge need for these 3 niches right here. And to even give you a better idea, there's a affiliate marketplace known as ClickBank. And ClickBank primarily has digital information-based products, where you buy it, you get access to it pretty much right away. There's no shipping and fulfillment. And if I go into for example, the e-business and e-marketing niche right here, I mean, this is a massive niche. I mean, just right here alone, there are tons of products that will pay you very big commissions for one single sale. I mean, right here, we've got ClickBank University. This is a training by ClickBank themselves. And you could promote this as an affiliate by clicking on this button right here. And when you get someone to your link and they buy the product, you get a sale of $224.84. This is for one single sale. You get someone into the software right here, you get that commission right there. We've got 12-minute affiliate system, $70 commission. I mean, I know that's not as, high as, a lot of these other ones, but still, 2 sales of this is $100 a day. That's over $100, and that's almost a full-time income right there with just one single product. I mean, there is 1K a day fast track. This is like $451, for one single sale with this one product. Same with super affiliate system. I mean, so there's a ton of offers in this niche right here, as you can see, that will pay very big commissions for one single sale. So think of it like this. If you're putting in, lots of time into, promoting a product online, if you're putting in lots of time to, get traffic to an offer, and you really, take the time to, of course, grow a following, grow an audience, especially if you're doing like paid traffic, If you're putting in all this effort to generate sales online, why not go where there is a huge earning potential? And that's why I recommend these top 3 niches the most. So health and wellness, make money online, dating, relationships, health, wealth, relationships, health, wealth, relationships, health, wealth, relationships. I know I'm kind of repeating myself here, and it may be a bit annoying, but really think about it. This is where most of the money is being made. So ideally, I would highly recommend starting with one of these 3 niches. And some other niches that I, of course, want to mention as well, because I don't want to just leave it with these 3. I'll go over a few other ones here. We have the travel niche. This is, of course, another really big one. There's a ton of offers in the travel niche. In fact, if I go into ClickBank right here, I know that they do have travel somewhere in here. If I want to, where is it? Travel, all the way down here. If I click on travel, this will bring up a list of different offers in the travel niche. So here it's not as big of an earning potential, but ideally, if you are, wanting to promote, get into the travel niche, you could always focus on, building up a YouTube channel. You could, start like a travel-based channel if you are someone that, likes to travel often. And you want to, of course, put out videos about, you traveling. You could have an offer that you, of course, are recommending in your description. If you grow a large enough following, you could be getting commissions, on a daily basis of like 22, 58, or like 34, 19. So there is still a very good earning potential with the travel niche. And of course, lots of people all around the world, they're always looking for, what's the next, best travel destination to, of course, visit. Like if someone is, of course, taking a vacation, they ideally will most likely go on YouTube and they'll look up videos of different vacations that they could, of course, visit. So that's why there is a huge earning potential with the travel niche. And if you are someone that likes to travel, I recommend considering that niche as well. So there's travel. There is also the, hold on a minute. There is, let's see. We've got how to play an instrument. So, how to play the guitar, how to play the piano, anything like that. There's tons of courses that you could find online that will show you how to play, the guitar. So if you are someone that is rather knowledgeable about, playing the guitar, if maybe you've had lots of experience, you could either, create your own course, on a platform like ClickBank, and of course market that yourself. Or what you could do is you could look through the different offers on here in that specific niche as well. So if I go into, where is it? Like if I go into where is it? I don't see it, the category on here, but I mean, there is a huge earning potential with the music, of course. There is always, what you could also do is you can go online and just search up, like how to play the guitar, affiliate program. So just look up something like that. And if you could find an offer that is, pays out pretty good commissions, and, like here's one right here, guitar lesson affiliate program, you could, this pays up, it says right there, 60% commission rate for one single sale. So, I mean, think of it like this. If it's like, $50, 60% commission of that would be like, over $25 per sale. I mean, I don't know exactly how much this is, but, you could, of course, do your own due diligence. Oh, here we go. In general, we pay commissions on the 15th of the following month. Although there is a 50 minimum payout, a quick example, you can make 500 in commissions in March. You'll be paid out. Okay, so it doesn't exactly say how much you could make with a single sale there, but ideally you would want to do your own due diligence and see where where there is a huge, if there's any affiliate offer that is, where it has a huge earning potential, that pays up big commissions. And if it's something that you are rather excited about promoting, then I highly recommend starting a niche in that area as well. So there is how to play an instrument. Another one is the luxury beauty. So I'd say this one is like primarily for women. Makeup, cosmetics, purses, all that type of stuff. That's of course another huge niche that you could of course go into. And if I go into the Amazon affiliate program right here, luxury beauty will pay out a commission rate of 10% right there. So I know that's not as high as, like other programs like, ClickBank, where it's more digital products. But think of it like this. If you're promoting products that are in the high ticket priced range, like, $500, even like $100, that's still a $10 commission you get from one single sale, one single sale right there. So that's another really great niche you could, of course, go into. There's also the, furniture. So any, like couches, chairs, beds, sofas like that. There's tons of products inside of Amazon that you could, of course, look through that are in the high ticket price range. Like if I, go to Amazon right now, if I go to Amazon and if I just look through the different niches in here, I'll find plenty of offers that are in that niche right there. Let's see right here. If I go into categories, of course, it's taking some time to load up there. Come on, load up. Oh, come on. So what I did is I just typed in furniture and I just found, a bunch of different products right here. Like here's a couch right here that's selling for like $278.99 right there. So like if that pays like, 10% commission, that's like a $27 commission right there. So as you can see there, for one single sale of, like a couch, there is a pretty good earning potential with the Amazon affiliate program right there. And so there's a very great earning potential with, furniture, anything from, couches, sofas, beds, anything like that. Very great earning potential with that right there. And then the last one is, of course, technology. So anything regarding, high-end laptops, there is, smartphones, tablets, TVs, anything like that. There is a very great earning potential, especially if you are promoting products that are in the rather high ticket price range. I know there's a lot of smartphones coming out. Tons of new laptops that are, of course, being released on a regular basis. Like almost every single month, there's like some sort of like new high-end laptop that everyone's talking about. And if you go on like YouTube alone, you'll find plenty of channels that they review different technology products, and there is a very good reason for that, because there's a very high earning potential with promoting technology. So like if I go on Amazon again and I search up high-end laptops, like for example, like I look up let's see here, like HP, or like Asus laptop, or even if I do like Macintosh, right? Macintosh, I search that up, of course, like the new Mac. We'll see exactly what's on here. Why is it bringing up the old laptop right here? Of course, my thing is being a bit slow again. Why is this thing being so slow? So like here's a great example right here. It's like LG Gram laptop, 14 full display. This is a product that's currently selling for over $1,000, and of course, because of that, there's much bigger commission payout with that right there. So as you can see here, there's tons of offers like this, that tons of new laptops coming out on a regular basis, and you could, of course, test them out yourself. You could see exactly what you, of course, feel comfortable recommending, and then you could recommend those products, whether it's through a YouTube channel, a website, anything like that. There is a very great earning potential with this niche right here. So those are just a few of the different niches that you could, of course, consider checking out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and also let me know what niche you are, of course, considering getting into. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. But if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to give this a thumbs up, because it really does help the channel. And if you'd like to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long term, if you want to learn how to build an entire business around this concept where you could be working on your own terms, be your own boss, and be able to create more of a passive income online, my #1 link down below will give you access to the free training, and that will go much more into depth about how to build a business through affiliate marketing and how to actually get the long-term results that you're actually looking for. So anyways, hope you found this video helpful. Again, check out that free training down below, and take care.